Finally, we have reached the last lesson of this course, where we're going to see how to deploy our application to production. And since our application is based on Vue build tool, let's open up Vue documentation. Specifically, we need deployment page. And here we can see several deployment options with using different service providers. And we are going to use the service called Search. First of all, we'll have to install a Search command line tool. So let's open up Search documentation and see what we need to run in order to install CLI. Before installing this CLI, we also have to ensure that we currently have Node.js installed. And right after, we can run the following command, which is going to install Search CLI globally in our system. So I'm going to run this command in my terminal. As we can see, we're getting permission issue, so let's rerun this command with specifying word sudo in front of this command. And this way, this command will be executed with admin privileges. This time, everything worked well. On the next step, we'll need to build our project, and we can do so by running the following command, npm run build. Let's switch over back to the terminal and build the project. By default, Vue generates build version of the project within folder called dist. And now that we have our build, we can use search CLI to deploy this folder. So let's run the command search, and here we need to specify which folder we will deploy. It is called dist. And if we don't have search account yet, this utility will propose us to create one. But if we already have an account, we just need to log in by providing email and password. That is the domain where our application will be globally available on the web. And if we'll switch over to the browser and open up this URL, indeed, we can see our application was successfully deployed. But in case we need to use our custom domain name, there is custom documentation page which shows how to configure a custom domain name. And also this page includes links to popular domain providers with instructions that are specific to those providers. I have already gone ahead and configured custom domain name, so this project will also be available under the following domain name. And with that, we're finishing this course. Thanks for watching.